Masquera say Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana karike kutanga kukuya paneno channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchungwa karoka subscriber, don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasmere Zimbabwe takwikirai nyaya inorwadza nyaya inosirisa nyaya ya Shingi Kawondera. Shingi Kawondera yakabuda achitaura about the collapse ye marriage yake na Mary Mubaiwa Kawondera kabuda achinareta kutorwa kwakaita ma-investments ma-business ake na Mary pamwechete nekutorwa kwaitwa mwana wake muri Zimbabwe na Mary apo paaitamba bhora ari kuCyprus. Akabuda ine interview Kawondera achitaura iye achiti anga Mary's second husband, achitaura iye achiti first marriage yanga iri yake nebusinessman yainzi Terry Mandija yakacollapse after the couple were blessed with a baby girl. So speaking during an online publication, Kawondera akabuda achitaura takasangana na Mary Mubaiwa panga a struggling model. Achitaura of course kumbakoko kwakune mari but ye career yanga iri pasi. Achitaura achiti by then nangani mari ndaka investor in a business aifunga kuti nderavo vese. Ataura iya achitaka isa mari kuti vangu vachitanga business iri. Ataura the revision ye company yavo yanzi shell company apo yaida kutanga maboutiques nema-travel services and zviri kunzi Mary took over mabusiness yaya apo Shingi Kawondera panga ari kuCyprus. Akataura iye achiti Mary was a good woman but hanzi a rich background yakamupusha kuti vanhu vachimaintaina status yake kusvika azosvika pakuzobira Shingi Kawondera. Shingi Kawondera anotaura iye achiti akainvesta mari yaikwanisa kuita $80,000 United States dollars muthis shell company iyo yaakazoluza mushure mekunge Mary Chiwenga akaforja ma-divorce papers, akaforja signature yaKawondera ma-divorce papers kuti awanike achirorwa na General Constantino Chiwenga muri Zimbabwe. Shingi akabuda achiclaima ma-damages emari aikwanisa kusvika $700,000. Achitaura achiti is now broke and haasisina pekutangira nekuda kwekufojwa kwakaitwa divorce naMary Mubaiwa. So Kawondera akabuda zvakare achiti Mary akaabducta their 2-year-old daughter yainzi Destiny, chinzi akanobika ma-birth certificate achishandisa ma-corrupt officials muri Zimbabwe. Hanzi akawanikwa achitochinja the birth certificate from Kawondera to Mubaiwa ku the registrar's general office. Kawondera nguva yaibuda achitaura achiti anga ane makore anopfuura 10 years asati atomboona mwana wake asitamboona mwana wake muri Zimbabwe. Tisingazive kuti munoionawo sei nyaya iyi, nyaya inorwadza, nyaya inosiririsa muri Zimbabwe. So munyaya yakabuditswa neAharare vakabuda vachitaura masanganikiro akaita Mary na Kawondera muri Zimbabwe. Kawondera achitaura iye achiti inyu kuti anga ari mukadzi wemunhu muri Zimbabwe zvinova zvakazomutera pamberi apa akutorerwawo zvakare naGeneral Constantino Chiwenga. So Harare akabuda achitaura achiti former Zimbabwe Warriors striker Shingi Kawondera has unwittingly revealed that he snatched his ex-wife Mary Mubaiwa from her first husband. Mary was married to businessman Terence Mandija when she met Kawondera, who was a football star playing his trade in Europe. According to Kawondera, he was introduced to Mary by the late socialite genius Chinimbi Kadungure in 2004. Kawondera revealed this in an interview following his first meeting with his ex-wife after more than 10 years. In an interview with the online publication Zim Morning Post, Shingi Kawondera said, I met her through Chinimbi. I had met Chinimbi around 2004, but was more close to his cousin Terry, who is Mudiwa's brother. According to Kawondera, after Chinimbi introduced them, the two exchanged phone numbers. Mary reportedly wanted Kawondera's help to convince former Warriors coach Charles Mhlauri to become a judge at one of her beauty pageants. When Shingi Kawondera returned to Europe, he kept in touch with Mary and communicated frequently with her. However, he insisted that everything was strictly professional since she was a married woman. When I was in Turkey, I was a bit bored. Remember, we didn't have WhatsApp those days, and I couldn't send a text to Econet. So I started scrolling my phone, looking for someone with a Net 1 number, and only Mary was available. So we started chatting. She was still married then, and it was a genuine, clean chat. When he returned home from Turkey, the pair's relationship continued to grow as Mary would come to visit him. When I came back from Turkey, I was staying with Jinimbi in Strathaven. I called Mary just to check on her. She said she would visit, but I wasn't putting much pressure. Then one day, we were just chilling in the morning, myself, King Labash, and Jinimbi. And I was like, Jinimbi, do you know that I still talk to the queen of your clan? Zvekuti ndichida kutopedza masipos ndogona kutopedza. Jinimbi laughed at me and said, wakuda kuzvibiga. Then I called Mary, and she said she would come within an hour. Jinimbi musi uyu akakoropa mumba ndati. Well, that's how important Mary is to their clan. She came after an hour, he recalled. Eventually, the pair fell in love, and Mary dumped her first husband, Terence Mandija, and married Kawondera. However, the same scenario played out years later when Mary dumped Kawondera to get married to Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who was the commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces at the time. Despite the bad breakup and various unsavory allegations leveled against Mary at the time, Shingi has forgiven him. He insisted that people should not judge or abuse her in any way because everyone makes mistakes. She got carried away a bit, but who wouldn't? She doesn't deserve that kind of treatment, especially the media abuse. We all make mistakes, and who are we to judge? Ndo mabudiro akaita nyaya ndo zvakataurwa naShingi Kawondera muZimbabwe achitaura iye achiti panguva ino akasvika pakuregerera Mary Mubaiwa muZimbabwe nechiitiko chakaitika ichochi muZimbabwe. Tusinei vaviri ava vakazoonana after 10 years ndo pavakazosangana mushure mekunge varambana. Mary Mubaiwa paanga ari muhospital kuHarare hospital mushure mekunge achekwa makumbo neruoko yakabuda Shingi Kawondera achiti after 10 years I finally met my dear yesterday at the hospital. Thank you, Jesus. We spent 2 glorious hours together. She's still wonderful. Some souls can't be tampered with. Trust me, I left here in very high spirits and very juvenile mode, and determined as ever to beat yet his comforting disease. And she said, no Shingi Kawondera, you are a prayerful warrior. You pray for me. And I was like, I always, and I thank her for taking very good care of our daughter together. Destiny. She has grown up to be just like a mom, he said. So, friends of mine, keep on praying for her, and thank you for your support psychologically, morally, and spiritually. May Jah God, Allah Mwari, bless you all. If I didn't have a running with the media, I was going to show you the pictures. Ndo zvakataurwa naShingi Kawondera muZimbabwe achiti akaregerera mukadzi the ex-wife wake despite zvakange zvamboitika zvekubroka kwaakaita, kutorerwa mari yemabusiness nekutorerwa mwana. Tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi. Tiudzei zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi mucomment section.